All right, it is August 28th, Saturday, going over some stocks. Now, one of the big runners it's been everyone's been talking about is SPRT And let's take a look further and see this action here. So this stock has been around. Let's see the monthly. Basically, this has been around since the first candle in the monthly, July 31st, 2000. Unbelievable. And it's made some big runs. It went all the way down 2001, 2003, bounced up to 50, came back. The high got lower. See this? Keeps getting lower. You draw a big, big line right here. And then look what happened. Did a reverse split, then it dropped off. Basically, after 14 went down all the way to 2020, and then 2021, this thing came back to life. So imagine a stock 7 years being like dead. Now it's back from the dead. So let's take a look at the weekly. That was the move right here. This candle, March 26, 2021, it came to life. And then, went sideways 5 and then eventually bounced up. So let's look at the daily. This was the move, that first move, and that in March, there was a 282 million in volume. So it was huge. Now, went along for April, May, June, July, August, and went over 10. Look at this. And then this started to ride. See it rider called the 1320 EMA rider. And then it rode up. And then look at that. Went to 59.65. So the high was 59.69 with big volume. 194 million in volume. Look at that candle, man. Huge wick. Now, where are we going from here? It's caught in between the retracement levels, 61.8, 32.2 fibs. It did come back. That's a big shooting star wick. That usually means capitulation, reversal, direction, but that doesn't necessarily mean nothing. In this market, we've seen everything. I've seen stocks make 7 candles in a row, massive candles. Anything's possible. So, excuse me. But if we do come down, this 25 is huge because that is near the 38.2 fibs. Then you have a gap here. This falls below that gap. You're looking at 20 to 15 level. Now, if it can bounce up and stay within here, come back, I would look for this range anywhere 25 to about 37. That's the meat of the candle. So let's take a look at the 4-hour. See the 4-hour? That's a big shooting star wick. Now it's drifting far away from the 1320 EMA. See, that's where 20, just over 15. Oh, look at the move right here. It's in a downward stochastic slide here. Red's over white. That is bearish. So I believe it will come down more unless you get a bounce. You could get a bounce Monday. Anything's possible. But overall direction, it looks like it's down. See the 2-hour? This is going down. And then the 1-hour, you're getting really oversold. And the 30-minute. Now the 30-minute, see this run up, came back. The high or lows was getting higher, and right here was like the peak, almost like your lopsided head and shoulders. Like here's the head, shoulder, came down. That's why I say this 25 is important. See right here. Here is the line just below. There's 25. So we touched it back, going back 27th. Here it is again. And something 15. It's a big drop. See, it's still coming down. 10-minute, 5-minute. So you can see 25, 30 we went up. Pre-market came down pretty hard. Found that good support, bounced all the way up, and then really came down again. So there's a lot of different moves in this during the day. So there's your range. So you want this to hold. 25, you absolutely want to hold. So if we even chop around here and then go back up, that's positive. If you see volume dying off, it doesn't mean the whole move's bearish. Yet we've seen so many stocks where they come down and they'll just hibernate. Excuse me, and they'll do nothing. They'll just go sideways and then they'll pop up again. So that's another thing. But when a stock does run from 5 all the way up to 59, you want to take profits. and no one knows exactly what it's going to do Monday. There could be news again, and they take this and ride it up again. You don't know. No one knows for sure. I would look pre-market. Pre-market, it could dump. It could come all the way down. It could go up. So it's easier to say down here when you see this starting to grind up. We've seen these moves. 5, 10. That's when you want to get in because you had this 1320 EMA support, and when it starts to move up like this, you don't know it's going to do that. It could do anything, get a 20, 25. You don't know where the high move is. So, all right, that's it for now on that. So, watch them levels to be determined, basically. So we're caught in between this back and forth. That's a high wick, and now we will see what happens. But do I think this whole move's over? No, I think we're going to get more spikes. That volume is heavy. 15 million float. Institutions at 52%. So 635 million market cap. Support.com surges 200%, and MAME Army short squeeze attack. That was the big news. Wow, there was no real news. Stock soars a MAME boost. MAME boost. And what do they do exactly? Provide customer technical support solutions through home-based employees, primarily United States. Voice chat, self-service. Headquartered in Wilmington, Delaware. So again, anything's possible. This is kind of market we're in. So this is now main stock, and I would look for more action. When you have 194 million, it's just going to drop to zero. So this is big action, and I'm looking for this range right in here right now. If you fall below it, you got to go into 20 to 15. If they just want to decide to get out Monday, this thing will drop. The volume will probably be lower. See the volume increase. If they want to keep pushing this and press it, and traders get in it, this 25. Like I said, the low, but then 40 or not 40, about 37. If they want to break this up, they're going to break through that and be up here somewhere, this 40 to 55 level, which is possible too. So there's no real answer to this right now, only because of the volatility. If you're down here, I'm saying this is easy. I can see this riding up, but I'll be very careful. Just don't jump in. Absolutely just don't jump in this stuff. So, watch this on Monday if you're trading in or pre-market, see where it goes. You see a big run up pre-market, even a spike. They might bring it down again. It might be just one of them days where you have big up and down mountains, valleys, peaks and valleys like this. You can see that again. So right now, see, it did hold this. It held that pre-market, or that yesterday's close on the 27th, the day before. Right, see this? That was today's open, my little green slash line. So, 25, you could say 50 or 60 is the area. Excuse me. So there it is. Where do we go from here? To be determined. But I think we will get more bounces. So I don't think this is just going down and that's it. I don't believe that's going to happen. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kamen Trade Alerts. Subscribe, hit the like button, it helps the algos. Leave comments. What else do I have? Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Kamen Alerts. Stock Twits, Mike Kamen Alerts. TikTok, Mike Kamen Trades. And I think Twitch, I have Mike. At least I have a Twitch. I don't even use it, so let me see. Let me see on Twitch. So many social media platforms. Twitch, www.twitch.tv, Mike Kamen Alerts. Oh, also I have Trust Zone VPN. It's one of the best VPNs. VPN is, to protect your computer, keep your, like you're invisible. So a Trust Zone VPN, I get a small affiliate. It's a few dollars. So, but it really is good. You can go, they have anywhere in the world, you can use it like a VPN. You can use United States, Canada, almost every continent. And they're out of St. Charles. St. Charles is near Africa, where they don't provide any information in the United States. They don't copy, as far as I read, like all the information on your computer. So, as far as that goes, it's a really good VPN. Like some of the other VPNs, like what's it, NordVPN or something like that, they report the United States, so they track your data still though. Trust them VPN. I don't believe they track any data. The last I looked at it anyway, so it's really good VPN now, and check that out. That is it for now. Peace, everybody. Peace.